Hey, what's going on, everyone? Cardiac Arrest here. So, two things. One, we're here with video breaking these. I got these off eBay from a group called Strictly Mint. I got them at a good price. I'd recommend them. The other thing is, I also bought a new microphone, so hopefully you guys can hear me a little better. Let me know if you guys can as we start this video. So, this is my first time actually opening any blaster boxes of this that I recall. I've opened some hobby, and I've opened some like just retail and rack pack. But I also have a little Pete Alonso right there in the background. One of the rookies we're going to try to pull. I guess we can compare the boxes and see which one's better as well. Don't expect us to pull a hit, but if we do, I'm not going to be disappointed. Troy Tulowitzki to start us off. I do not know what the numbering is for short prints. I'm going to guess it's 700 and above. So, it's another thing to look out for, these short prints. Sorry, I'm coming with some old stuff. This is about all we can get these days. I know Bowman's coming out. I have an order that I put in. It was a Pete Alonso. It's nice. It's nice centering too. Oh, wait a second. Look at this. Interesting. And I was like, that felt weird. So, you got a photo card? I forget what these are called. Someone wants to remind me. Be awesome, but probably the best one we can pull there. One of. Forgot what we were talking about. But, oh yeah, Bowman. So, put in an order a while ago with Walmart, and it got delayed, obviously. But we are going to hope that they eventually send that out. They still have not sent me an update. Cameron Maben, I believe, is a short print here. But yeah, so we're off to a good start. Box. I'll probably look at the odds at the end, so I'm not wasting your guys' time. For the rookie. There's another rookie. Christian Yelich. An insert. There's not going to be a short print. I want to know more about that Pete Alonso. Felt like kind of like cloth, but I don't think it's a cloth card. Unless I'm wrong. Could very well be. Ronnie Chisenhall. Never played with the Pirates. Braden Bishop rookie. I'd like to see another, like a Vladdy or a Tatis, maybe even an Aloy. The Means. Keston here is a good one. Cal Quantrill's not a bad one either. Yeah, I know I'm not talking as much. I don't really have as much to talk about, but please let me know if the mic sounds better. I know it's been pretty easy to hear when you're listening through your phone. Hey, we got a Chrome card. Nick Markakis. Out of $9.99. But I know on a TV it's a little harder to hear. So hoping you guys will hear it much better. Justice Sheffield rookie. Sky Bolt rookie. Great name. Alfaro is Drupal. Tuki Toussaint rookie. Stim Meadows. Fernando Tatis Jr. Dave Robinson. So overall, let me clean up real quick. Not a bad first box. That cloth Alonso, a Tatis base, a Keston base. I've been starting to find with products such as Heritage and Flagship, I'll do a lot better in retail. So I've opened my fair amount of hobby of both. And let's just say, I think I've poured more autos in retail than I have hobby. I think I've pulled like 3 jersey cards in hobby, if not 4. I think I pulled an autograph in a fat pack. I pulled a Nate Lau, I believe it was. So I just happen to have better luck. This is the exact same start to the other one, at least with the first like 3 cards. I'll check for short prints after. I'll also run through real quick at the end and look for bazooka backs. I always forget about that. Yusei Kikuchi. Hey, it's another one of those cloth cards. Interesting. Nick Senzel. I don't know if that's 1 per box or not, but if it's not, we're doing pretty alright. These base packs feel very similar to Salazar at the beginning of that one. Which means, I mean, if we're getting another Keston rookie, yeah, like Reyes, Avila, Kelly, this feels not completely, but closely identical. Which I had this with, if you watched my Diamond Kings break recently. And the same thing, so just always something to look at. It's a little interesting to me. John Means. This card feels thicker. Might have a chrome card or something. No, I'm just dumb. Chris Paddock rookie. I like Chris Paddock. Bradley Bishop rookie. Last pack. So far it's looking like that first box won. So we have a gosh darn Neil Keston Hiura, Cal Quantrill. Identical last pack, so not too bad. What was it? 2 Kestons, a Tatis, and I think the best card, hopefully, is the Pete Alonso right here. Cloth card. So let me run through these for bazooka backs if you guys are done watching. I totally understand. Enjoy the rest of guys' day, and hopefully see you next video. I'm not pulling short prints, I'm just looking for the bazooka bag, which I mean essentially short print, but I don't think we got any. So, oh well. Might as well check this, and I'm going to look at stats as well. I'll do that while I'm on here. If you guys want to stop watching, like I said, more than welcome. No hard feelings. No bazooka backs. Short print, silver metal. If you guys see it, let me know. You guys will probably beat me to it as I'm reading this. Yeah. I don't know, I think I'm just missing it, but it's all good. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys next time.